Do you really need contents insurance? If you're a renter, the answer is usually a resounding yes, but the process of getting covered can feel like a huge faff. Long forms, complicated jargon, and policies that seem built for homeowners, not tenants. Well, Monzo is looking to change that. They've muscled into the insurance market with a product squarely aimed at simplifying things, especially for the UK's millions of renters who are often underprotected. So, is Monzo Contents Insurance actually worth it? Let's dive in. The main selling point here is simplicity and flexibility. Monzo found that half of renters either don't have contents insurance or don't understand what it is. To tackle this, they've streamlined the process. Instead of wading through dozens of questions, you might only need to answer a handful, with Monzo pre-filling some details they already have. The goal is to go from quote to covered in minutes, all within the app you use every day. But a fast quote is only good if the cover is right. The policy, which is underwritten by Chubb, is designed to protect your stuff, everything that would fall out if you flipped your home upside down. It covers you up to a maximum of £100,000 for things like fire, flood, storms, and theft inside your home. Crucially for renters, it includes up to £10,000 cover if your belongings are damaged or stolen while you're moving home, even during short-term storage. There's also some cover for things outside the home, like if your laptop gets damaged or stolen while you're out in the British Isles. You can also customize the policy with add-ons. Need to insure an expensive new piece of tech or jewelry worth over £1,000? There are specific options for high-value items. Want cover for accidental damage? That's an optional extra too. Now, for the flexibility part. Monzo lets you adjust your cover, change your excess, or even cancel your policy at any time without fees. This is a big win compared to traditional annual contracts that can penalize you for mid-year changes. However, it's not perfect. Like any insurance, there are exclusions, things like wear and tear, and your housemate's belongings aren't covered, and some customer reviews have mentioned that while the sign-up process is great, the price wasn't always the cheapest compared to a full market comparison. It's easy to get a quote, but make sure you still check it against other providers to ensure you're getting the best value for your specific needs. Ultimately, Monzo Contents Insurance is a compelling option for those who value convenience, flexibility, and a streamlined, in-app experience. If you're a renter who's been putting off getting insured because it feels like too much effort, this might be the kick you need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.